So I took a trade last night because on this chart, this is the 30,000 tick chart, you can see we had this bear channel and then we had this bull channel uh, that corrected. I don't think it made the 50%. Okay, so it just touched the 50% correction, and then we got a break and we gapped down heavily in the overnight. And so in my head, I'm like, okay, well, I think we'll at least make a measured move down of that large bearish move. And so my original target was down here. So that's why I traded last night. Where did we get out? So one entry. It looks like I got out with a loss on this bear bar, and then I went long, I remember. And I remember thinking when I got long, I was like, no, this looks like a bear channel. Would have had this channel drawn like this. Yeah. And it looks like we're going into resistance. So I should scalp, but I didn't scalp, and I got out with a couple ticks of loss, so I got short again. And you can see we made this lower high. So I sold 2 contracts, got about a 10-point move, and that finished up the evening. Came in this morning. We're still selling off. Where's this channel? And I suspected it was a spike in channel down. Not sure. I don't know if I sold on this chart. Maybe I sold on this chart. And so I got short, closed out. I didn't like what I was seeing. Yeah, I think I was probably looking at this chart then. Didn't like what I was seeing, so I got out. Let's see. Looks like I went long here. And so you can see I've just been over trading, really. The past 3 days, just taking too many entries. It's hard to stay calm when you do that. And I got short here because I saw the break of this bull channel, and you get a lower high. And also I was looking at this spike in channel down, so I just figured I have to get short. And we start going sideways, so I get out. Let's see, 543. So I got a small win here, 3 points. Then we went sideways, took a couple shorts in here. Looks like I got a small loss on these. Then I went short here and got out about break even, and then I got short here. And really, I should have just been looking at this chart, because if you're looking at this chart, I mean, you should just hold until you get a break way down here. But I wasn't. I got out here, so that was a 10-point swing. And of course, I was trading 2 contracts on all these, and then here I traded 1 contract. So instead of $100, I got 50. Then I had to leave for a little bit. Got short here, below this bear bar, and then we got this bear doji. I put my stop up here. We got this bear doji, so I said if it moves lower, I'll put a stop below that. It moved lower. I said if it goes below this, put an order below that. It went lower, and I should have held at least a couple contracts, or at least 1 contract, but I didn't. That's something I really need to work on, is swinging. I just get too anxious and I exit early. And on a day like today, you're gonna lose out on a lot of money for that. Getting out above this bull bar would be much more appropriate, and that would get me 3 more points. So Those are the things I want to think about today.